of strata control technology MN 6142 to our lecture number 6. Sorry for little delay because of some power problems at NIT Rourkela, as also conveyed by our Dean Planning and Design, Professor P.K. Sahu, which I conveyed to you so that there may be some problem of power cuts in between, and that's why we could not start in time. We opened, but there was a power failure. Now let us start our class. Before that, let me know whether my voice is clear to you or not. Then I will share my slides and then we start our class discussions. Meanwhile, my instruction to our beloved students is they will be keeping their project topics, that file here, so that after 30 minutes, we'll spare half an hour time on confirming the titles of the assignments, which were already instructed to select out of our syllabus, and all doubts were cleared at that time in the first week. If you have any doubts, of course, we can discuss further on that. Meanwhile, let me know our Nikhil and other CRs. There are 3. One from Executive PhD Sridhar and Nikhil from our MTechs, and Prabhu, Nitesh and others, Swati and other people from BTechs. 3, they should copy paste their assignment topics so that after 30 minutes of delivering the class at the online discussion, we will start the finalization of assignment topics according to your interest as a learning based education. Now I am taking attendance for 28th December 2020, a day before the last day of instruction in this COVID-19 affected December 2020 in this year. So there will be one more class only for this 2020 year, and that's why this is the last but one. Right. So let me know whether my voice is clear or not. At least one person can unmute.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Nice. Now I am sharing the slide screen, and meanwhile you have to, especially the class representatives of Executive PhD and our MTechs and BTechs, to share their file of selected topics of their assignments, so that after 30 minutes we will discuss on that and finalize. And let me know whether our slide is visible or not. Today is our 28th December 2020, lecture number 6 for Strata Control Technology, MN 6142 of our last but one class in this COVID affected 2020 year. Now let us start with a good sixer of your beloved game, cricket, lecture number 6. Right. So last class I was trying to give you, while explaining the different geological discontinuities or geological disturbances, how it is contributing to our strata control problems. Already many issues I was showing you with the latest what happened, especially in India, if not in the world, as far as strata control technology is concerned. Now this is related to understand the effect of geological disturbance on the strata control and the root fall, what happened on 29th October, a couple of months or almost 1.5 months back, how that led to a roof fall of up to 3 meter height and then 2 meter by 4.2 meter, which led to a fatal accident. Some details I will be showing you little bit in the sense that our non-mining engineers also should understand, and they should help our mining industry in transdisciplinary translational industry oriented research and academics. Here is a total data what we have from that geological disturbances and also that roof fall, how it happened, including all the readings of the development district and then SCAMP, or which is also called as systematic support rules. You can also note down somewhere, my beloved students, because you should also know if some investigations are required as far as strata control technology is concerned, how to do that. Then a report on geotechnical studies that within some radius of that accident which led to a fatal of our beloved Naveen, who is a overman supervising, and our Vamshi and Satish, their operators, they could luckily escape. Now, DGMS permission copy of that, which was issued long back for development of that district, with all survey progress report, immediate roof lithologies. As I said, you are supposed to be also a very good geologist to understand these strata control technology issues, and then anchorage testing report, so that you should also know how that support system, whatever is installed, whether it is efficiently installed or not. That is not just testing anchorage of total 1.8 meter long, but short encapsulation tests are also supposed to be done. What is the meaning of short encapsulation test? If this is an immediate roof, then if it is a cable bolt or a roof bolt, what you install, and if it is 1.8 meters, so or 2 meter, 2.4, whatever it is, when you are conducting anchorage test, that load will not be transferred beyond some distance. That is called nothing but the critical embedment length. The details we will discuss depending on your interest, of course, in further classes, and depending on your concerned assignments, whatever on learning based education you selected, which we will be discussing after 20 minutes or half an hour in this class. So with all the details, so we will be doing only short encapsulation test when it is only 30 centimeter, 20 centimeter, 40 centimeter. What is the load it is taking? That is the meaning of this short encapsulation test. And then of course, we are also supposed to understand spot violations, because there is a law, Indian mining law regulations, and when it is a metal mines, then is a metalliferous mines regulations of 1951, and now it is being repealed and then being modified, and then already modified is coal mines regulations of 1957, and where we were discussing, already we discussed little bit about that 108 regulation before of SSR, systematic support rule. That's why I mentioned here SSR along with SCAMP, which is in 2017 modified one. Some important points you please note down, so that any doubts we'll discuss. But I wish that my students of strata control technology should be aware of what is happening at present along with the Indian mining law, which is applicable. Now, support plan at the accident spot with the top section, bottom section, whatever is underground plans, offset of 200 meters, offset plan you know very well. That is nothing but even exact details of what is the width of that workings and all development galleries, so that gives you exact details of our strata control and other issues, of course. Then other sections where LSDs and borehole sections, all those things were there. Now you try to understand, my beloved students, those who are from non-mining, maybe from mechanical, electrical, electronics, computer science, transdisciplinary groups. So how this is immediate roof, it appears now you see. So this is of immediate roof where 1.67 meters, right? Here you see 0.96 meters. These are the core lengths, right? Now you note down, my beloved students, as a CEP question, because other than those who are non-mining, they know what is the meaning of rock quality designation. Now you note down what is a rock quality designation. For this second, what is there in this second group, whatever it is there in the second one, and then in the third one here whatever I am showing you, right? Here it is showing 0.96 and then it is showing 1.67 in the box, which is a very good rock immediate roof, which is called length, right? And then you note down for this, if it is 0.96 meters core, now I am giving you the dimensions, you note down, all my beloved students. Now you consider this as 12 centimeters, the top one 12 centimeters. I am also writing in my diary, this is your continuous evaluation question. One is, this is you consider as a 12 centimeters, the first one, and then next is your, you just consider that as 80 centimeters, and then the next one as 8 centimeter. So now you should tell me what is the RQD of 1, 2 and 3. Okay, that is a CEP question for you. Now I am going further. So this is a type of rock, how it appears. Then this place is from that accident, 20 meter from 41 dip junction where this accident took place. Anybody having any doubt?
So please tell what was the third length?
Third, it is 1.67. Okay. Shall I go further? Don't worry for 4 and 5. Okay. Right. I'm going further. Any doubt we can ask. Okay. So basically this mine, what I was trying to explain to you is Vakilapalli mine, right? Having around 2.05 2 square kilometers. Okay. Right. Now little bit more, its geological structures and all, because now we are discussing about the geology and geological features which contributed to strata control problems. So in that case, now you see in the descending order, whatever are given in there, the seams are 1A, 1, 2, 3B, 3A, 3 and 4, and this accident took place in 3 top section. Okay. Now I am not going into Barakar formation, all those things, but here this is a grayish white medium to coarse grained feldspathic sandstone, right? So that is a formation that is you will be getting in between in the parting rocks, right, of this sandstone of different types. And now going further, there are 4 faults. These also you should note down. There are remaining 4 faults. There are only 4 faults within the block limits, right? And this is about gradient is from 1 in 8 to 1 in 8.5. That is already we discussed for those who are non-mining engineering students also. They must have understood. Now, their present work, right? So even based on the requisition from there, of course, we are doing some investigations. Let us leave that aspect. And their present works and some details I am showing you here. Their rock mass rating, right, was determined. Their geotechnical investigations were done, right, in this 3 seam top section. And few examples, that's what I wanted to discuss with you with the latest information about the geological and structural features here. And that section already I was trying to show you, that immediate roof and here structural features and other things, including groundwater seepage, are also discussed now that I am showing to you, my beloved students of strata control technology. This is what you are supposed to do when you are a strata control engineer, and not only just understand, but you are also supposed to perform yourself, right? So here there are slips you note down with a throw of 0.1 to 2.5 meters and joints with 2 to 5 millimeters opening. And in that condition, and there are so much data available, I need not bring to you A to L M, right? A to L, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Those things I need not teach you. You are in a very good position of final year and MTechs and all. You will read yourself. Okay, any doubts? Of course, I am there with you to clarify. And with these conditions, the total structural indices, right, is 13 and a corresponding rating given is 7, and this is based on the table and all those, so many things are given. If anybody is interested, of course I can show you n number of examples, including the course materials, workshop materials, along with Barton and other people as a part of Indorok and Indian Geotechnical Society. We have conducted also as a scientist of Ministry Mahins and other people, right? Along with Barton materials are also I can show to you, depending on your interesting topics of assignments. We will go further. Then laboratory studies are also supposed to be done as a part of this uh, uh, So this is what is a problem of our power supply, and that's what I tried to tell you, my beloved students. And I appreciate our Gokul Satish for his initiative and calling. And let me know whether it is visible. Am I audible, my beloved students?
Yes, sir.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
But now let me open once again our whatever is a PPT, because that is gone. Now let me open your PPT of the class for online SCT, right? Are you able to see my screen? Are you able to see my screen?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Acha, let me share once again. Okay. Are you able to see the screen now?
Yes, sir. Now is visible.
Very good, nice. Now, sorry for the disturbance. This is a part of online MS team teaching learning process. But you know very well, mining engineers are have a lot of safety factor in working. In fact, I was trying to get it connected through this also. There was some problem in my mobile. The mobile to Buddha ho gaya hai. And still there is another option, safety factor 10, where I have already communicated to you, Nitesh, Prabhu and Nikhil, Gokul, all those people, right? Everybody is having my this PPT. Anybody can share it, and then they can share and tell me the slide. Then I will be talking on phone, right? Whether it is from mobile or from landline, whatever it is. So this is a ultimate 10 safety factor with us, and strata control engineer compared to simple mining engineer is also knows better how to deal with the most disastrous situations in anywhere in their life, right? Next, continuing further, I am going further, right? Now, any answer for your CEP question? They can talk in between, they can write also. Now, this one, don't worry, don't give answer now. I will take a break after few minutes. At that time, we will discuss. Right. So this type of, I think we stopped, not we stopped. Our power stopped us. Power in the Rourkela as such stopped us. Now this is where we were. Slide number 10. Now, laboratory studies are also very much required, you know very well. I need not repeat for my other beloved students other than our non-mining engineers here. So, slate durability, compressive strength, density of rock, all those things are also supposed to be determined. And then seepage of groundwater at that place was found to be 5 milliliters per minute. You note down those things, 5 milliliter per minute, and hence the rating given is 9 based on that. This is very simple. When it is a dry condition, nothing is there, right? Then it is taken as 10. That is those details, no problem. You yourself can read. It was discussed in our previous course materials for other students, but we will refresh, don't worry, for the benefit of our non-mining engineering students also, those who will be contributing to our transdisciplinary, translational, industry-oriented research and academics in future. So this is that at the 65 level, south of 41 deep, south from this 41 deep where that fatal accident took place, and we lost our Naveen, invaluable life, which should not happen next time in the similar conditions. With our whatever learned literacy or whatever knowledge we learned, we should make use of it to minimize the chances of such type of problems. I mean, that problems will be there, geotechnical disturbances will be there, what we are discussing as a part of module 1 of strata control technology now. But in that situations, what type of strata control measures to be taken, and if we are unable to control, no problem, we can leave that place as unworkable, and we should be safe and should work in the stable places. That is the way we take the decisions ultimately, right? For which our DGMS is also there to take care as far as the safety is concerned. Now, layer thickness, that value is 96. So its rating is 30, and that is for the layer 1. So that means in the immediate roof, there are so many layers. So now let me keep here. So these are different layers. Suppose these are layer 4, 4 layers. I am keeping for the benefit of you to understand. These are the layers. Now you can see the layers like this. So when they are layers 1, 2, 3, 4, yes, now you can see this is your gallery. Now these are the layers, right? Layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, and layer 4. So for layer 1, this layer thickness is 96, right? So now there this through the table when you go for each the when thickness is this much, then what is the rating? All those things are given, right? In that way, for layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, layer 4, these are different parameters, and then ultimately for layer 1, 60 is the rock mass rating, and for layer 2, 62, and layer 3, 61, and then for layer 4, it is 54. So if this is a case, now let me stop at this stage, okay? Let us not go further in the calculations and other things. So with this, now I am going back to you people, my beloved students, for discussion about your CEP question answer. If you have, you give the answer now. I am taking attendance once again after this power failure once again, and then if you have already given your assignment topic list, let us discuss for few minutes on that. Anyway, we have 10 minutes more time as far as our watch is concerned, right? So we will discuss about the assignment topics. Nikhil, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Nikhil has done wonderful work. He prepared, and already I communicated to many people, not only for our strata control technology, also for ground control instrumentation and other students of underground coal mining methods, which I am taking at present in the present semester. So I communicated to everybody. He made like a very good role model, which was done in our previous semesters by everybody. They have done nicely in all the semesters, and now because of this COVID-19 and celebration mood for our Christmas and our New Year, there may be some delay, don't worry, but whatever is ready with us, we will discuss now. Nikhil, you can just copy and paste it here itself, so that it is easy for us to discuss on that, or you can screen. Now you are also owner for this. Those who are class representative, I made them owners, and they can also share their screen, Nikhil, and you can also paste it here, paste the file of your assignment topics for finalization today. Violation of titles based on your assignment topics. The topics can be anywhere. Yes, nicely he has done it. Now I am trying to open it now. Let me sharing now opening this file, and meanwhile if he can open, he can also do that, and I am opening it now. Are you able to see? This is what is sent to me. I am sharing the screen once again, my beloved students, about the topics. Now they will be taking their final titles, and these titles, they have an advantage, so that based on their interest, already they selected this as their interesting topic. Now others cannot take this topic. Okay, so now let me share the screen so that it is easy for you. Right now I am making it a little bigger so that anybody can see. Yes. Are you able to see the titles? I mean my screen with Piyush Anand, interested in the roof bolts. Are you able to hear?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. So regarding roof bolts, we will discuss, of course, up to this. Next, Pukka Vivek, interested in geomining conditions. Very good, nice. And meanwhile, while I am reading this, now they themselves should also can tell in that Rube Bolt what is that he is interested in. That is a Rube Bolt's application of Rube Bolts in longwall mining, in deep sea mining, or in or performance of the Rube Bolts, right? Or like that also they must have seen so many topics. So they themselves can tell, otherwise I will tell them, no problem, right? Meanwhile, they can think in that line. In geomining conditions also there are so many things, right? So this is a generalized they are written. If they can come out with something more typical topic, right, on that geomining condition, on that Rube Bolt, that will fine. Otherwise, I will tell the title after reading up to this, right? Now, Gokul Satish, design of support system for long wall working, very good, nice. Then Rohit, in this also there can be, even in the long wall, there will be a shield supports, that design, or there can be face support or the gate road supports, its performance or its designs, designing with modeling, design with analytical models, numerical. There are so many topics in that. Okay, you yourself also can come out something more into that. Otherwise, I will give the topic now on that. Now, and others cannot take on that again. Now, Rohit, his topic, what he showed interest is strata control problems and assessing the risk from hazards or roof and side fall. Very good. Now he can say from underground board and pillar method of mining or blasting galley method of mining, safety risk assessment because of this roof fall or designing, like that he can select. Now, then Paturu Sunil Kumar, he says geomechanics classification of rocks, right? Like that, there are so many things in that geomechanics classification, right? He can concentrate on for rock mass classification of our Indian, right? Rock mass rating things related, or rock mass quality, right? Like Barton's classifications related things, like that you can get utilizing your artificial intelligence in the classification, or fuzzy logics, or AHP techniques, the Mamdani approach, right? Like that, there are so many machine learning, so many things are there. You can also think in that. Then Virendra Pal on safety status. Now this is a generalized. Now you can concentrate on safety status in long wall, in deep seam long wall, in multiple seams, in inclined seams, in board and pillar, whatever. Now you can come out with something more. Otherwise, I will give the topic to you. Now, Praneeth Kumar, strata control techniques and its application in coal mine industry, right? So here now you can, you make it for Mahanadi Coalfields Limited, what is the strata control technology being used, or in Southeastern Coalfields, or in Singaran College, or whatever. Then all these topics should have one good case study with you, and then already I told you about 10 years of literature survey, what happened in the world, right? Then Vanstaj Yadu, right? Strata control cell. Yes. Now you can also say what is the implementation of strata control cell. What is the status of implementation in India in 2020 during our COVID-19 period? What is the implementation of this strata control cell? What is a performance? So many things you can take. Now it should not be a copy paste of something here and there, right? It should be already you understood what I said many times. Deepti Ranjan Grahacharya, strata control technologies. 3 minutes more time is there. We will discuss furthermore till whatever is there. And in these lines now you should come out with all these topics by the next class. Everybody should come out with now more typical topic. Now titles also now you can select based on this, right? Now strata control technologies for mass exploitation in underground coal mine. Now you can concentrate on southeastern coal fields. What is the longwall mining, or otherwise what is the status technology in continuous miner in some particular mines areas, whatever it is, you can select, right? Instead of making it generalized, right? Then Kalicharan, strata control cell in mines. It cannot be same as another strata control. Then now you can, I have changed some topic. Otherwise, now you can also think of something inside, right? What is the status of strata control cell in Bharat Coking Coal Limited? That is the most worst hit area where you should do something more for Bharat Coking Coal. So many things like that. Okay, best is there in Singareni College and Southeastern Coalfield. You can select and do that. Kunal assisting the risk from hazards of roof and side. Now it cannot be assessing, right? So this cannot be same as this place, and now he can select from Bharat Coking Coal Limited, and this man can select from Singareni Collieries Company, or that man can from Mahanadi Coalfield, whatever, right? From Orient Mine or some GDK 11 mine, from KTK 5 mine or some other mines, right? East Katras mine, Chora Colliery, whatever, right? This is the way how you should select the topics. Aditya Vaidya, you will see so much of material literature from journals and then so many things, right? Then Aditya, geological factors contributing to strata control. Now you can concentrate on effect of faults on the strata control problems, something like that, or effect of only some other bedding planes on strata control problem in Godavari Valley coalfields, or in Varda Valley coalfields, or in Veeb Valley coalfield. This is the way how you can select, right? You have only 1-2 minutes more. I am stopping at this as far as this discussion is concerned. Now I am taking up your any queries. Let us go further. Any queries? And by next week, now otherwise any answer for CEP, if not 0 for everybody, 0 for everybody, don't worry, right? Then summary, who is summarizing? Summary by whom? Anybody deserves some marks, otherwise 0 for everybody, 0 for everybody. Anybody? There is only 1 minute left. Okay, so next class, all assignment topics as I discussed just now should be there here and also in the mail entries, whatever it is, so that we will concentrate maximum time in finalizing the assignment topics of your learning based education of your interesting area. And now in that interesting area also, you must have understood how to select the topic, right? Now you yourself can also see now based on your interesting areas, suppose strata control cell. Now you will see many number of papers, recent journals or proceedings. You will see so many things. Based on that, now you can select for Mahanadi Coalfields, for BCCL, for Southeastern Coalfield, for Singareni Collieries, whatever it is. So all the best, my beloved students. This is the last but one class, and now all assignments should be ready for finalization on in the next class. Okay, next class, that is a last class in this year 2020 in COVID-19 period. Okay, then all the best. Take care of your health. Take care of this COVID-19. Then dhanyavad to your parents, right? They are helping you a lot, right? You should help them, and they are helping you to learn more and being the best strata control engineers as far as this class is concerned. And try to do your best, and then try to participate in our Atmanirbhar Bharat, Make India, new education policy, and try to solve some of our strata control problems in India and be the best strata control engineer in the world. All the best. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai, क्या बोलना चाहिए? Anybody?
Rourkela. Jai Rourkela, sir.
Then Jai Utkal Janani, Jai NIT Rourkela. I'm stopping it now. The next class is there for our underground coal mining methods. Your young junior friends, right? All the best once again.